today I'm going to show you my soccer shoes that I got for my birthday. My dad gave me. So let's go, guys. I will show you the shoes. They have their Nike sign on it too. Right here, see? Neymar used these shoes in the stadium when he plays soccer too. And this is like how spiky right here. And like these right here with yellow and green. The cleats are blue right here. You can tell right here is black. And I have the Nike sign right here. It's green right here. And the other side of the Nike sign too. Show you the inside of it. Right here. The Nike sign inside here. And then, yeah. Let's go play with them.